Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a Prada unboxing, and I have to tell you, I knew I was going to be getting a gift from Prada a couple months ago because after I did my unboxing of my Cameo Beige Prada Re-edition, let me grab that for some eye candy. Here is the beauty herself in all of her glory. But after I unboxed this beauty, purchased from Arthur Bloom at the Bloomingdale's Aventura Prada store down in Florida, he messaged me and told me that he had a free gift coming, and he thought it was going to come really quick, but it did not come until today. But guess what? It is just in time for Christmas, and I cannot tell you how excited I am. So if you're not aware, a lot of the brands out there that are luxury, like Louis Vuitton and I guess Prada and maybe others, probably others like Chanel, etc. If you're a very important client, you can get some gifts at Christmas, like Christmas ornaments or snow globes, or I don't even know, because I'm not a very important client. At least I never have been. It would be nice to be one, but I think you have to spend to even be eligible. Like if you're a customer that goes in and drops 25 grand on one shopping trip, then you might be considered a very important client. And that is definitely not me. But I did achieve, I guess, some sort of very important status when I did the video to show you this beautiful bag, because Arthur kindly put my name up for getting a free gift, and I kind of know what this is because he asked me 2 days ago, would you rather have a wallet or a water bottle? And I said, wallet, hands down. And I said, you mean like a card holder? And he said, yes. And he told me it was in a new color. And so I'm really excited. I don't know if this is a gift that was just made for very important clients or for, I don't know. I don't know who this gift was made for, or if it's a regular item that you can buy on the website, but I'm going to find out with you. I have slit the package open because like last time there was a lot of Prada tape on the package and I couldn't find the entry point. So now I know the entry point so I can open it up, but let's open it together. And I'm almost shaking now. I didn't even fix my hair for this video because I was just too excited. So you see, they pay attention to details. Look at that. It's like a ribbon that is glued onto this beautiful box. And then you see here I have a Prada shopping bag, which I'm very pumped about. And then I don't know if there's anything else, and there's nothing else, but this is Prada tissue paper. I may end up reusing that box if one of you buys something that I'm selling. Right now all I have for sale is my Coach Tyler 28 in the coral shade. I have this for sale for $160. It comes with a crossbody strap and the dust bag, and it retailed for $2.95, but I am including the inserts, which are $39.75 retail, and I'm selling the whole thing for $160. So if you're interested in this bag, that's what I've got for sale right now. Back to the unboxing. Let's see what's inside this gorgeous bag. I did set my glasses close by, so it came in a really pretty box. I'll use that probably as a display box because I don't have a really pretty Prada box. The other piece I had in my hand was just the base for the bag. So let's get to the main event. Okay, here we go. We've got some Prada tissue paper. I'm shaking a little bit. Let's see what it is. You see that? Oh my gosh! Got kind of a glare on it, but oh my goodness. I've got to turn down my light because this, wow. Look, this is a Saffiano Prada card holder, and this is a new color from their current collection, and it is called Platinum, I think. If I'm not right, I'll go look it up and put it in the box, but I'm pretty sure it's called Platinum. Wow. It has a little insert. It's a little card to show you that it can hold credit cards that says Prada. But there are 1, 2, 3 slots on this side. And then there are 1, 2, 3 slots on that side. And then it has an interior that is lined in leather. And it is the same gold leather. And it has Prada embossed right there, as well as the Prada booklet. And that is just the Prada Care booklet in 2 different languages. So that is all the paperwork on this little wallet. But oh my gosh, guys, look how stunning that is. I had to turn off my light altogether because there was just going to be too much reflection otherwise, but I'll turn it back on here in just a second. Arthur, you outdid yourself. Holy cow. It even has the Prada plate on it. I am so excited. I only have one card holder really like this. I have a Coach one, but it only has like a slot on each side. It doesn't have very many slots, but I've got my Saint Laurent card holder like this. Let me turn my light back on. So here is my Saint Laurent card holder, and you'll see it has 1, 2 slots on each side, plus it's got the center compartment. And the center compartment on the Saint Laurent is lined in leather. The slip pockets are lined in a material. Let's see what the slip pockets are on the Prada. They are also lined in a material, as you can see there, but the center, again, is in the platinum Saffiano leather. Side by side, you can see the Prada is just a tiny bit taller, but it does offer 2 additional card slots, and it is slimmer. And that's probably because it does not have the quilting like the Saint Laurent does. That saves a little bit of space. And like I said, the Coach one by the Kaffe Fassett Coach collaboration that I have, it only has 1 slot on each side, and it has the center divider, and it's all lined in leather. Both the compartments are lined in leather, but this one doesn't have as many slots. It does hold, I think, like a couple cards if you want to in each slot. I usually just carry 3 if I'm using this, and this is a really soft, really nice leather. But in terms of comparison, these two are a lot more alike than the Coach one is like either one of these. And I'm so excited about this. I love how slim it is. I love how it has so many different slots for the cards. I love, love, love the color because, oh my gosh, this will look amazing with all 3 of my Prada Re-editions, the Cameo Beige, the Black, and the Ardesia. All 3 of these are going to be amazing with this card holder. So what can I say besides thank you, Prada, thank you, Arthur. Thanks for putting me out there for one of the free gifts. I'm going to move it back here so that you can see it just a little better. I love it so much, and this is like the most amazing timing because it's just right before Christmas, and it was a surprise. Even though I knew that it was a card holder, I had no idea it would be this one. I did check. You can get these on the Prada website. I can link this item down in the description box. I can't tell you how blessed I am that this was sent to me. I just really, really appreciate it. So if you like this content, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.